something completely different than what you guys might think. For example, this water bottle could be used to articulate the sound of bones breaking. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? And you kids can try that at home because parents love it when children pretend to break their bones. Take a look at your side screens. We're going to show you a split screen. On one side, we're going to see the hit comedy Identity Thief with Jason Bateman and Melissa McCarthy. On the other side, you're going to see Universal's Foley artists hard at work. Now, I have a plan. Oh yeah, that looks easy, right? We'll find out. That's a clip that they are going to Foley. But first, let's talk about the tools that we have up here on the stage. Over here, we've got a crash box. It's a wooden box that's going to make the sound of crashes. We also have some sneakers. Those will sound like running. Over here, we've got 2 reams of paper and a cutting board. Those will sound like bodies are hitting the ground. Over here, we've got 2 boxing gloves. Those will sound like a punch in the throat and slaps on the face. Then down here at the end, we've got a cowbell. This will be used for the moment where the panini maker hits Melissa McCarthy in the back of the shoulder. And then this is where we get crazy. Really use your imaginations here because these handcuffs are going to sound like handcuffs. Give that to you. All right, you guys ready to do this? You'll be watching this big old monitor right over here. All right. If you guys are ready up at the booth, let's roll sound, speed, and action.